Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Pinnaclz fast charging wall adapter plus data cable combo. So this is the box that it comes in. We have some information. Actually, we have only manufacturing information at the back. So I will open this box and show you what's inside. Right off the bat, we have a product registration warranty card. This is basically a 3-month extended warranty from Pinnaclz. This is an important document. And these are the data cable and the power adapter in question. Let's take a look at the data cable first. So there you go, this is the data cable. Is there one data cable? There are two data cables here. This is a USB-A to micro USB data cable, and this is also a USB-A to micro USB data cable. So there are two micro USB data cables, and this is the power adapter. Just quickly take a look. There you go. This is a dual USB-A power adapter. So the idea is that you attach this to a power socket, and then you can use two different devices or charge two different devices that has micro USB charging port on their end. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Pinnaclz fast charging wall adapter plus data cable combo. Thank you for watching.